Okay, so hi GB.
Hi guys.
What are we doing?
Look, it's the vacuum cleaner.
Uh-huh.
Some.
Okay, we're gonna spray this, guys, because the carpet is smelly. Why is it smelly, GB? What happened last night?
Last time.
Hi GB.
Guys, which Hoover were you using?
Hi GB. What happened? What are we doing here?
It stinks. Guys, we'll spray it.
Oh, so we're gonna spray this on the carpet.
We'll spray in the vacuum.
Okay, what happened last night? Tell me what happened.
Guys,
Uh-huh.
when I'm coughing,
Uh-huh.
and then.
So guys, GB puked.
Okay, let me get the vacuum. Guys, which Hoover you want to use? George or Henry?
I think we'll do George. Okay, let's spray this first and then we'll do
Guys,
it.
my Georgie is downstairs. I can get it.
Uh-huh. Okay, so we need to spray it now.
Okay, is it
Okay,
like
no. It's like this. Let me open it for you. Let me do it for you. Let's do it from inside first. Because it stinks, guys. Oopsie daisy.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. And then we will leave this for a few hours, I think.
Yes, guys, I want to do it.
You want to do it too?
Guys, I want to get the vacuum out.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna get the vacuum.
Oopsie daisy. You went on the door. Guys, it stunk so bad. I had to go and get the spray. The windows are open since morning. Actually, you can see since last night. It was everywhere. GB's not feeling well, by the way. He has some kind of virus. He caught some virus from nursery. And this smells so good. Look at this.
Guys, I got the carpet.
You got the carpet. Okay. I think I'm gonna finish this all off because it stinks.
Can you do it?
This is almost finished.
Mommy,
Yeah, you want to do it? Yeah, okay. Press this button. Press from here. Yeah, come on. Oh, no. You have to do it on the floor. Look, it's gone on the door. Just like this.
Okay, Mommy, I'm gonna get the George.
Okay, we need to leave this for a bit.
Yeah?
Guys, it was that disgusting yesterday that GB did it on the George as well. I had to clean the George.
Guys, why we leave it for 2 minutes? Guys, can you hear the sound?
And you can hear the sound. Okay, it's finished. Ta-da! Okay.
We have to plug the vacuum.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to leave this and then GB's going to bring his George, the green one, and then we will be doing Hoover. So, yeah, we're going to leave this for a bit and we'll do the Hoover in a while. Okay, guys, so it's gone better and the foam is gone. Yes.
Guys, look.
Ah, what is this? What is this?
It's the vacuum cleaner.
Wow. Okay, so we're gonna put the big tool on.
Guys, it's gone.
Okay, so now GB is going to bring the Hoover.
Guys,
Oh my God, what happened? Come on, put it back on. Okay, guys, Mummy have decided that Mummy is going to do the hoover.
Not yet, Mommy.
Okay.
Let me at Mommy.
Mummy's going to do it.
No.
Yes, let's do it. Come on, let's turn it on and Mummy's going to do the hoover. Come on. Okay, move on the side. Upsy daisy. It came off. Okay. Why is it? Okay, move. Okay, so we done the hoover. It looks nice and clean now. And yes.
Mommy needs different cup. So, guys, this cup and we need different
Okay,
cup.
let's see if it's clean or not. Let's see. Yes, it's clean. It has, you guys think there's still some stains of GB's puke? Yeah, I think so. I think we need something else to clean this.
Let's use George again.
George again?